Hi, welcome to ES10 Engineering Economics course. I'm Engineer Red Valencia, your professor, a faculty member in the College of Engineering, and formerly Senior Vice President in PNCC, operator of NLEX, SLEX, and Skyway. I'm a practicing licensed civil engineer and sanitary engineer with a master's in urban and regional planning at UP Diliman and a diploma of graduate studies in civil engineering at VUB Brussels, Belgium. I'm currently in the PhD program on educational leadership and management at the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Marikina. So, ES10, Engineering Economics, is an introduction to various tracks of specialization of civil engineering with emphasis on ethics, responsibility, and professionalism. Engineering economics addresses two of the 13 program outcomes, particularly program outcomes A. With this course, you are able to apply knowledge of mathematics and science to solve complex civil engineering problems. And program outcomes K, you are able to utilize relevant techniques and management tools necessary for civil engineering practice. At the end of the course, you must achieve the following learning outcomes, or LO. LO1, after the course, you're able to solve problems involving interest rates and the present value and future value of money. LO2, you're able to evaluate project alternatives by applying the principles of engineering economics. And LO3, after the course, you're able to deal with risks and uncertainty in project outcomes by applying basic decision-making concepts. After this orientation, you should be able to participate actively in a learning module system or LMS that is prescribed by CHED long before the COVID pandemic. And LMS is a web-based or online system that helps us to organize school learning. You can download the resources below, like what is an LMS. Due to poor resources of most students, many have low, slow, or no signal at home. So I opted to use the asynchronous delivery of learning using Open Educational Resource or OER video learning materials. The videos can be downloaded or saved to device using your cell phone, tablets, or PC, and can be played back using YouTube offline, meaning even without Wi-Fi or internet signal. So you can download the following resources I attached in our Google Classroom, particularly how to use MS Word and how to use YouTube offline, what is an LMS, paano gamitin ang Microsoft Excel, how to make a video for Google Classroom using only your cell phone, and how to do offline PDF assignments and quizzes in Google Classroom. Now we proceed to Module 1, Theory and Philosophy of Engineering Economics. This is part of Unit 1, which is Introduction to Engineering Economics. After Module 1, you should be able to formulate your own philosophies on the engineering economics of projects in engineering or construction. You can browse through the OER or Open Educational Resource video below. So after watching OER 01A, you should be able to pursue e-learning of engineering economics as among the fundamentals of civil engineering board exam and address the BS Civil Engineering Program Outcomes A and Program Outcomes K. Characteristics of engineering projects include cost, time, complexity, and uncertainty in detail, and economic conditions like inflation and interest rates. There are 7 principles that's important to consider in project evaluation of engineering and construction projects. The learning video was posted by Brian Smith, University of Virginia, on January 15, 2018. So once again, I want to welcome you students to our ES10 Engineering Economics course for this first semester of school year 2020-2021. Learn with Red.